Seeing a login alert from a country you have never been to? When your Authenticator app shows the wrong location, it can be confusing and even alarming. But don't panic just yet, because there's a clear explanation and an easy fix. Welcome back to Silicophilic, your go-to source for tech tips and fixes. In today's guide, we will show you simple steps to verify and resolve the issue when Authenticator app is showing wrong location. Let's get started. Method 1. Check your network. When Microsoft Authenticator is showing a wrong location, check your internet connection. You can switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if the location updates correctly. If you are using any VPN or proxy services, then disable it and check if that works. If you are not using any VPN service, then you can use one and see if that helps. Method 2. Verify device settings. The next thing you can do is verify the device settings. Ensure location services are enabled on your phone. To do that, swipe down from the top of the screen and tap the settings icon, or open the settings app from your app drawer. Scroll down and tap location. Toggle the location switch to on. If prompted, allow system services to access location. Next, confirm date and time is set to automatic and matches your region. To do that, open settings. Go to system or general management or additional settings. Tap date and time. Turn on. Set time automatically and set time zone automatically or similar options. If you don't see system, try searching date and time in the settings search bar. Method 3. Update the Authenticator app. The next thing you can do is update the Authenticator app. To do that, open Google Play. Then search for Authenticator app. Look for any available updates. In case there is the update button instead of open, download and install the updates. Once done, open the Authenticator app and check. You can also open Authenticator app, then click on the three dots menu to open settings. Then select app updates and make sure updates are turned on. Disable battery optimization for Authenticator to improve sync accuracy. Method 4. Disable office, school or corporate network. If you are using an office, school or corporate network including cloud-based VPNs, incorrect login locations are common because these networks route traffic through centralized servers that may be in another city or country. To fix this, disconnect from office Wi-Fi or the corporate VPN and complete the login using a personal network such as mobile data or a personal hotspot. Then reconnect to the work network afterwards. If possible, use a personal device instead of a managed work device and confirm "This was me" on any security alerts to reduce future warnings. For a long-term solution, you can also ask your IT team whether local network exit points are available. And that's it. You know now why the Authenticator app may show an incorrect login location and how to handle it safely. If this guide helped you, be sure to like the video and subscribe to Silicophilic for more practical tech solutions. Have you seen a strange login location before? Share your experience in the comments. It might help others stay secure. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next one.